The EExAT reports capture the assessment data from the tracker and show you the progress children have made from their starting points. You can look at progress for each child, for each group, or the whole cohort. As you make each assessment in the child's tracker, a live cumulative score is captured. For each cell assessed, the cumulative score increases by 1 point in the tracker. When an assessment window closes, an end-of-term cumulative score is captured and recorded in the EExAT reports. You can select reports to show the progress of the cohort, or view the progress for one child in the pupil profile. The end-of-window cumulative scores are pulled through for each child into the pupil profile. Comparing a child's score from one assessment window to the next shows the progress they are making. The pupil profile shows how a child's well-being, involvement and characteristics change over time. When you look at the cumulative scores, you can see if the child is making typical development progress during each assessment window and across the year. The progress guide shows you how each child's progress has been calculated. You can view the exact scores for each area of learning if you want to find out more. If you want to view progress for all the children in the cohort, look at the running record cumulative score table. You can filter for all your different groups. Or you can view this information as a bar chart. The termly summary of progress shows children's names, their scores and percentages for each assessment window in the tracker. In the pupil profile, the GLD sliding bar shows how children in reception are progressing towards a good level of development. In the Year R Baseline to GLD report, you can view progress for the cohort and for all your groups. And you can show the progress each child has made from their different starting points. You can view, print and export all the progress data. You can show small steps of progress in the evidence pages and use these to show a child's progression towards the next milestone. The progress data and evidence in EExAT will give you the information you need to build a picture of learning for all your children.